All right, I've finished this boat project up. I was just gonna let you know what I did. I went to Mississippi yesterday and bought a new trim assembly from a guy. It came off a 05 model. Everything from 92 to 05, or actually to present, as far as these trim assemblies go, are the same. So got all these pins, new pin up top, the bottom pin, it was fine. I reused it. I made some friends in the process, did some networking. I found some grease to use. It's marine grease. It's supposed to have some stuff in it to keep the saltwater corrosion out. So if I ever have to do this again, it'll come apart a lot easier. I think I'm just gonna make it part of my probably bi-yearly maintenance to take this pin out and the bottom pin out and go ahead and re-grease them. That way, if I do have any issues, it'll be easy to come apart and I can take it apart, reseal it, replace the motor, whatever needs to be done. But it works really good, probably better than the old one ever did. Bring it on down. Then when it gets to the trim part, it'll slow down there like it's supposed to. So there's no leaks. I'm happy with it. It was a good project. I learned a lot about it. There were some frustrating moments, but for the most part, it was a good deal and ready to get on the water.